In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your PayPal account to Maya, also known as Paymir, in a quick and straightforward way. By the end of this guide, you'll have successfully connected your accounts, allowing seamless transfers between the two platforms. First, open your preferred internet browser and go to the official PayPal website. Once you're on the home page, look for the Login button, usually located in the top right corner. Click it to proceed. Next, enter your email address and password associated with your PayPal account. Make sure your credentials are correct to avoid any login issues. Then click the Login button to access your account dashboard. You may be asked to verify your identity as an extra security measure. PayPal provides options to receive a verification code via text message or WhatsApp. Choose your preferred method, and shortly after, you'll receive a code. Enter it to complete the verification process. After logging in successfully, you'll be on the PayPal homepage. Here, you'll see multiple tabs and options. Click on the Transfer Funds option. This allows you to move money between linked accounts effortlessly. From the list of available accounts and platforms, select Maya, which may also appear as Paymia depending on your screen. Click it to establish the connection between PayPal and Maya. And just like that, your PayPal account is linked to Maya. This integration makes transferring funds between these platforms quick and secure. With just a few clicks, you can manage your money efficiently, improving your digital financial transactions. A couple of tips for a smooth process: always double-check the information you enter to prevent delays or errors, and ensure your internet connection is stable throughout the process. Thank you for following along. Now you can enjoy a streamlined experience managing your funds between PayPal and Maya. Be sure to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips and financial guides.